Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, for more Atomic Heart. Next up, we're going to be going for the trial area 1, or testing site 1. Should be over here in this direction. Just getting a good look at the map, and my god, is this place huge. Kind of curious how long of a game this is going to end up being. Especially with this attention to detail everywhere. Just, it's going to be a fun ride.
So Charles, when Dr. Sechenov sends his twins somewhere on an assignment with, say, Stockhausen, he's guarded by that red monster?
Makes sense. Comrade Stockhausen is incapable of independently reaching his destination within a facility swarming with hostile robots, and Sechenov would never remain unguarded.
Why? He's a hero of the Soviet Union. Everybody loves the guy. Why would anybody want to hurt him?
Why indeed, Comrade Major?
You think there are people in the Kremlin who are jealous of him and want to get rid of him?
It's more likely that they just want power over Collective. If you rule the world, it's hardly surprising if people want to take your throne. Very powerful people.
I'd rather have Dr. Sechenov be the General Secretary of Collective than anybody else.
The General Secretary? Is that what you think he's going to be?
Of course. What else would he be?
I hope you're right.
Talking about some weird internal conflict.
Why are you so prejudiced against Comrade Stockhausen?
Because I hate cowards. He used to goose-step through Berlin. Now he's a model communist?
Not entirely fair. Comrade Stockhausen was a medical doctor and scientist during World War II. He was a professor of medicine.
Why are you sticking up for him? I just don't like him, okay? I don't care what he used to be. I just hate the way he's always running around and sucking up to the boss. Just squash it.
Ooh. All right, let's check our map. So we are right here in the middle of the testing ground. Not sure what they want us to do exactly. Maybe take out all the cameras? Oh, is this going to be my terminal to go up? Yeah, there we go. Yeah, the door is open. Okay, let's run on down there now then. Let's not jump because I'm not trying to lose more health. Get rid of most of these cameras anyways. Just make a quick in and out. What does this button do? Ooh, we're gonna go down another elevator? I guess it's gonna take us somewhere. Alright, cool. Let's see. I guess the testing ground is maybe a little bigger than I was expecting. I thought it was just gonna be this tiny little, like, oh, figure out how to use the camera thing. But nope, it's looking like it's gonna take us to a whole other location. Which just means the world just grows more and more every time. Even the map looks big, but if you can go underneath of it, oh jeez.
We now have access to the scientific testing ground, Comrade Major. You can find valuable weapons in such locations in the future.
Yeah, I know your science shit. All you do is deceive honest citizens with the concept of a bright future.
No comment.
Outstanding. Let's go take a look at the gear that'll help me see tomorrow.
Gonna have to do some flipping again. This should be easy enough, though. That didn't seem to flip. That probably would have killed me. Pumping music up, though. Time to get hype. Are we talking about a boss battle here? Let's do it.
Testing Ground 1's magnetic and mechanical workshop is responsible for 1. supplying samples used in all tests and research activities. 2. Manufacturing external casings for piston type and thermal machines. 3. Regular and cylindrical surface grinding, as well as spark erosion treatment for machine parts.
Now. Oh god, I thought that was about to knock me down. Oh, we made it. Perfect. Give me the loot. Oh yeah. Big chest. Can't get into those? Alright, that's fine, that's fine. Gotta check every corner. I mean, they took so much time to do all the detail, right? We gotta stop and smell the roses. Nope. Those are just permanently locked. We can't even do anything yet to get those kind of doors. Is that a vent? There's always something in the vents. I do love the look of these vents though. They just seem neat. Okay. That's blocked off. Blocked off. There's a lot of blood here. That's not a good sign. That's blocked off. Man, this one's taking us for quite the loop, huh? Hopefully this didn't take us backwards. Oh, we got a save spot. That could be good and it could be bad.
Saving data.
Let's get some
Authorization.
ammo over here.
Major Nichayev, codename P3, access granted.
God, I love the music in that little buy station.
Testing ground 1
So
thermal machines comprised of an Archimedes screw
What?
powered by the thermal emissions from a
Oh,
candle
God.
exothermal element. The machines generate 2 million kilowatts hour of electricity a month, enough to keep the entire testing ground operational for a year.
Oh my god.
How about this?
Holy crap, where did it come from? Well, the doors just unlocked, so did I survive or what? Really cool looking, like power generator though. Looks like, it does look like the inner workings of some kind of motor though. It's neat. We got some loot in here. Ah, there we go. Show me what you got. They do make looting very satisfying in this game, I must admit. It's far better than going in like Fallout and have to go to each little like table and have to open it up. You just stick your hand out and Darth Vader that shit. It's beautiful. Nice. Where's it gonna lead us to now? What in God's name is this thing? Looks like he's trying to escape. If I take the stuff, is he gonna get out? Oh, doesn't look like it. Oh, I got something. A blueprint. Expansive converter. Oh, this is where we're gonna get like weapon upgrades and stuff is coming to places like this. A cat in a house drawing on the wall here. This dancing little robot though, I guess he's not dancing, he's just like panicking almost. Well, are they gonna want us to exit the same route? Or we got no quick way to leave, is there? Or is that, did I just find like a hidden spot maybe in this place? It looks like it wants me just to go back the way I came. That might be it for here, so it should be good to keep moving on. I think so. Am I gonna have to go back through that vent? Oh,
What the hell
it's
is
a different
that?
one.
A special transporter for valuable cargo, or Comrade Lootjagen, according to the employee's facetious name for it.
Valuable cargo is all well and good, but why is it stuck there like that?
Its base features a prototype of a perpetual motion engine that forces the...
Boring.
Got a handle?
Give me the short
box
version.
handle.
Once released, it moves quickly between certain set points.
It's dead still. Looks like your perpetual motion engine is busted.
This one's like a bronze color. The other one was silver. I wonder why they decided to make that distinction. If it's like a rare one, man, that guy got messed up. All right, so we are back at the silver one, and I have figured out where we are to go from here. So apparently, this wall needed to be flipped because that was the original way out, which took me back to the beginning. But you're supposed to hit it again to be able to come to this direction,
Attention
which
all
leads us to
testing
a whole
ground
nother
one
room.
personnel. To avoid unnecessary accidents, please leave the testing zone as soon as the testing on alarm is activated. Remember, a Soviet worker is always aware of their environment. This goes double for Facility 3826 employees.
Ooh, I didn't think we could make that jump. Uh-oh. Looks like electricity might be needed to open up that door. Ah. Here we go. Now we need to get blue to the center. There we go. Oh, I guess I could have just got on this one. And we can make the jump.
It should come as no surprise to find access to modern weaponry deep within civilian testing grounds. Science and war have always gone hand in hand.
Is that what your programming tells you to think?
Shall we say...
No, that's actually true.
That's what I believe. Even the cartoons
One
you're
of our
so
old
fond
ones.
of started out as revolutionary intelligence gathering methods. Lamentable though it may be, war is the engine of progress.
I don't know where an AI glove could possibly get beliefs from, but if you ask me, I'm all about peace. And
Now I
cartoons.
know there's one more gold. I can hear him dancing somewhere. Oh, what the hell? Where'd you come from? from? So I know there's one more gold in there, so we're gonna keep looking and peeking around. Well, there's that thing up here. Not necessarily the gold one I was looking for, but it's something. Nothing. That's where we came in, right? Unless there's going to be one at the top of this, and then I'm going to be really pissed off that I kept looking. So, let's find out. Ah, finally made it to the top. And there's no second gold up here. Let's check our map, see if it did it. Okay, so the one gold chest actually did give us 2 of the gold loot, so I did keep looking around for nothing, but that was a long journey for testing ground 1. I have had it with this episode. If you're still finished with this episode, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. We got lots more videos to come. Thanks. Bye.